Hi kids, welcome to our computer class. So now we are going to discuss the second lesson, parts of your computer. So what is the lesson name? Parts of your computer. In the world, we have a lots of things like a bike, car, cycle, plants, humans and also each and everything has some parts, like for example a car has some parts: wheel, mirror, engine, etc. As well as human also has some parts like eyes, ears, heart, legs, hands, etc. As well as plants also has some parts like seed, roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruit. As well as a computer also has some parts, and the parts are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. So these are all the main parts of your computer. What are the main parts? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. So students, now we are going to discuss the first main parts of your computer, that is monitor. So students, let us discuss about monitor. And this is the picture of a monitor. This is a picture of a monitor. So monitor looks like a TV screen. The monitor looks like a TV screen. TV means television. Okay. The monitor looks like a TV screen. Actions done using a mouse or a keyboard are also shown on the monitor. For example, if we want to type one word by using keyboard means the monitor displayed that word. So that is the uses of monitor. And monitor is also known as VDU. Monitor is also known as VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. You can also view pictures and cartoons on the monitor. You can also view pictures and cartoons on the monitor. So basically, monitor looks like a TV. What is the other name of monitor? Yes, VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Monitor is mainly used to watch pictures, movies, cartoons, etc. And the next main part is keyboard. Keyboard means that is one of the main parts of the computer. Keyboard is mainly used to type or input information into a computer. To type or input information into a computer. And this is the picture of your keyboard. This is the picture of your keyboard. This keyboard has 104 keys on it. This keyboard has 104 keys on it. So children, how many keys are there in a keyboard? Yes, 104 keys are there in a keyboard. This keyboard has some keys, that is alphabet keys, number keys, function keys and special keys. So what are the keys? Alphabet keys, number keys, function keys and special keys. Okay, what is alphabetic? Alphabetic keys means what? Do you know alphabet? Yes, A, B, C. The letters are all called alphabets. These are marked with the English alphabets from A to Z. These are marked with the English alphabets from A to Z. There are 26 alphabetic keys are there. There are 26 alphabetic keys. If you want to type capital letters and small letter also, you can use alphabet keys. And the second keys are numeric keys. The keys marked with the numbers from 0 to 9 are called number keys. The keys marked with the numbers from 0 to 9 are called number keys. The number keys are also placed at the right side of the keyboard known as numeric keypad. The number keys are also placed at the right side of the keyboard known as numeric keypad. Okay students, tell me how many numeric keys are there in a keyboard? Yes, there are two set of numeric keys are there in a keyboard. Okay, and the next key is function keys, and the next keys are function keys. The function keys are placed at the top row of the keyboard marked with F1, F2 up to F12. The function keys are placed at the top row of the keyboard marked with F1, F2 up to F12. They are used to perform some special functions. They are used to perform some special functions. And the next keys are special keys. These special keys are tab key, escape key, enter key, backspace key, numlock key, caps lock key, alt key, spacebar key, shift key, delete key. These all are special keys. Okay students, now we are going to discuss the next main part of your computer, that is mouse. Tell me students, do you know what is mouse? Yes, this is a picture of your mouse. This is the picture of your mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device. A mouse has 2 buttons or 3 buttons on it. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. Okay students, see the picture. Okay students, see the picture. Left side mouse represent the left button. Right side mouse represent the right button. In center mouse represent the scroll wheel. This scroll wheel is mainly used to move the page up and down. This scroll wheel is mainly used to move the page up and down. And a mouse always kept on a mouse pad. A mouse always kept on a mouse pad because a mouse pad keeps the mouse dust free. A mouse pad keeps the mouse dust free. That's why a mouse always kept on a mouse pad. See the picture of a mouse pad. A mouse always kept on a mouse pad. Do you know what is mouse pointer? Yes. One small arrow on the computer screen, that is called what? Mouse pointer. A small arrow on the computer screen, that is called mouse pointer. See this picture, one small arrow is there in the computer screen, no? That is mouse pointer. Then the mouse is used to point and open things on the monitor. The mouse is used to point and open things on the monitor. It means if you want to open any files or documents means you can use the mouse. The mouse is used to point and open things on the monitor. And the next main part is CPU. And the next main part is CPU. Do you know what is CPU? Yes, CPU means Central Processing Unit. See the picture, this is called what? CPU. This is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU can do all the calculations. CPU can do all the calculations. So, it is known as the brain of the computer. So, it is known as the brain of the computer. All the parts of your computer are connected to CPU by wires. All the parts of your computer are connected to CPU by wires. CPU always kept inside a box. CPU always kept inside a box. That is called CPU box. See the picture of your CPU box. Okay students, now are you clear what are the main parts? Tell me what are the main parts are there in a computer? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Okay, now I am asking some questions. You have to say the answer. Okay, tell me in one word. Monitor looks like what? Yes, a monitor looks like a TV screen. Okay, how many keys are there in a keyboard? Yes, 104 keys are there in a keyboard. What is mouse? Yes, mouse is a pointing device. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Okay students, are you clear? Thank you students.